I'm going to show you how to get the American Express Platinum Card and pay no annual fee. I've been dying to make this video for a while because the American Express Platinum is one of the most prestigious, most sought after credit cards in the credit card world. So when you finally reach this pinnacle, it's like you've reached this final pinnacle in the credit card world. And the Platinum Card is very unique compared to a lot of other travel cards because it comes with a lot of bonus offers and a lot of features that a lot of credit cards do not have. So one of my favorite features about the American Express Platinum Card is their travel features. Last year alone, I traveled like 8 times all the way across the United States, including with my family. So a lot of these features were very key for me and my family getting in and out of TSA. Now, if you've been to the airport, you know that you have to get there early to get through TSA because you can be there for 30 minutes or it could be 2 hours. Okay, it depends on the airport you're at. That's just cold hard facts. When I found out about Clear and TSA PreCheck, I was like, what's the big deal about this? And I looked at the line over there at TSA PreCheck. I was like, how'd they get over there? Okay, before I really knew about credit card traveling and stuff like that, I was like, how do we get over there? Okay, that was my question. So TSA PreCheck is something that's included in the Platinum Card. You use it and you set yourself up. Then when you go through it, you don't have to stand in that other TSA line. Now there's Clear and there's Global Entry also. Global Entry is very key if you're traveling in and out of other countries, okay? You get a credit for all 3 of those with the Platinum Card. Now, my favorite thing is TSA PreCheck and, of course, Clear. So TSA PreCheck gets you through, to the front of that TSA PreCheck line. Not necessarily to the front, but you get to that line, okay? Separate line from regular TSA line, okay? Now, Clear, to me, is really elite, okay? Because Clear, when you set up your Clear, you go to the airport that has Clear, and you got to get there early because you have to register yourself. So you set it up on the app, you set it up online, you pay for it, and then, of course, American Express gives you a statement credit for that. And then once you get to the airport, they're going to scan your retina, they're going to scan your fingerprints. And you need your ID just for the first time when they register you. So then you do your registration. Then every time you get to the airport, you go check your bags or whatever, then you go to the TSA line. Oh, no, don't want to go there. Then you go to TSA PreCheck. Oh, no, don't need to go there either. I have Clear. Now, Clear is not only at airports, but it is at large music venues and some sporting event arenas, which is also great, because if you go to these big arenas, you don't have to worry about carrying your ID. If they have Clear, guess what? That's all you need, okay? But you should bring your ID in case you want to buy a drink or something, okay? But, so, you go to Clear once you get to the airport. Somebody's sometimes standing there, or once you scan it, somebody will come get you. But usually there's someone standing next to the Clear section. So they direct you to the machine, they scan your retina, they take you and they walk you all the way to the very front of the TSA PreCheck line, which makes a lot of people not very happy, but this is the big bonus of having Clear. It takes you all the way to the front. You don't go into the back of the TSA PreCheck line. They walk you all the way to the front. And this is really awesome. Now, certain airports like the LAX, which I travel pretty frequently to from North Carolina to LAX, they actually have their own Clear TSA PreCheck line. So you go through Clear and you go through a completely different TSA PreCheck line, which is much faster, more efficient. I went through LAX, Clear, and TSA in less than 15 minutes, which has never happened before, but it happened this year when I started using Clear much more often at these specific airports. I was like, man, I've been missing this my whole life. Going through LAX, TSA PreCheck in less than 15 minutes was completely elite. Now, here's a really cool fun fact. If you get your Clear through American Express, it will include you, the cardholder, and one other adult, okay? And then your kids are free. So this is really, really important because when you're going through this Clear section, you can't leave your kids behind. Be like, yeah, I'll see y'all later. Y'all go through the TSA PreCheck over there. It's going to be a while, okay? I'll see you at the lounge. All right, cool story. All right, no, like you got to take your kids with you. I have 3 kids, okay? So if I can get my kids through the Clear with me for free at no extra cost, why would I not do that, okay? Instead of having to stand in this line with a 2-year-old, a 9-year-old and a 16-year-old, they're like, oh my God, here we go. And the 2-year-old, she's trying to get out of there, okay? So this is very awesome and something that you need to know about with Clear, and make sure you check it out when you download it on the app in American Express. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, okay? So that way you always find out whenever we drop new content. And drop some comments in the comment section about some titles you want to hear about, some topics you want me to talk about. I could possibly make it into a full-length video or a short, because you guys know I like making shorts also. So drop something in the comments, drop some emojis so we can get the algorithm going. Now, if you need to work on your credit, we are a full-fledged credit management company. We're not a credit repair company, okay? We don't repair anything. We're not mechanics, all right? We manage credit files properly. Okay, we have a do-it-yourself program, which is the most advanced in the industry right now. Nobody has ever done this ever before. We create your letters, we email them to you, you print them out, professionally created custom Metro 2 letters attacking all your negative accounts. We cut all the nonsense out of it. We also offer a full-fledged Metro 2 program, and we also offer a pre-litigation program. Link is going to be in the description, okay? And I'm going to also put it in the comments if you ask for it. Now, also, my trusted link for the Platinum credit card is also going to be in the description. And I'll put my trusted link in the comments also. So if you want to go get the American Express Platinum card, you'll have a trusted link in there that you can use. And always make sure to hit that bell notification. So that way, every time I go live or I drop new content, you're going to immediately hear about it and find out about it first. So you can send it to your friends and family so everybody can watch it together, okay? And always remember, last part's the most important. So another really important thing for you to remember, if you go through my trusted link, it's going to take you to the American Express website. And then you can apply to see if you are going to get approved. Not qualify, but if you are approved for the Platinum card without any hard inquiry. Listen, I'm not going to argue with a lot of people. A lot of people have been saying, now I got a hard inquiry. Listen, I understand some people may have made some missteps, went to the wrong site. You have to be redirected to the American Express site in order for you to not get a hard inquiry to see if you are approved. Again, I'm going to say this. This is not a pre-qualification. They're going to tell you you are approved, okay? And if you are approved, then once you accept the credit card, then you will get a hard inquiry. There's no way to stop this. Don't try to do some hack, okay? Don't freeze your credit report. It's just going to cause a problem. So remember, there is no hard inquiry for any American Express personal credit cards to see if you are approved. If you accept the credit card, then you will get a hard inquiry, but you need to go directly into the American Express website. My trusted link in the description and in the comment section is going to take you there to make sure that you don't get a hard inquiry and see if you get approved for the Platinum card, okay? This is very important. Now, the last part to this is to understand that this is only with personal credit cards. No co-branded credit cards and no business credit cards. Only personal credit cards on the American Express website, and my trusted links will always redirect you to the American Express website to make sure you do not get a hard inquiry to see if you qualify for the American Express Platinum, the American Express Gold, or any other American Express personal credit cards that I talk about in my videos. All right, sorry, I went on a tangent there, but I had to explain a lot of things over there for you, okay? So just remember this. This is a huge deal breaker right here, okay? This is a huge thing that a lot of people don't understand. Now, the $695 annual fee is really high, but for another $175, you can get up to 3 extra additional Platinum cards. Now, you take that and you take your friends or your family, divide that by 4 people, that's $217.50 a year that each one of you can pay. That way, you all don't have to pay the $695 annual fee, which is great. So, get your friends, your family, whoever you trust, get them an extra card, and you can get up to 3 extra friends and split that cost across with everybody. So that way you don't have to pay this whopping annual fee, and they all get all these great American Express benefits that come with the card. You can set the card to spend $0 so you don't take any crazy risk, and they can never spend on that card. Now you can also get the Gold card, okay, it's up on the screen, at no annual fee. Now the Gold card doesn't get you all of the awesome features that the Platinum card does. It does not get you the 4X for dining. It does not get you the 4X for restaurants. Understand that. It is basically just an extra card that you can stack points with as a regular platinum card. But this is why getting the extra additional platinum cards is much more valuable, because those people get all the benefits. The additional gold card does not get you any of those benefits. Always remember that. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. It's up on the screen, and I'm going to put all the different benefits that you can get up on the screen also. With the gold card, you can see the breakdown right there. Additional gold card only gets you fee credit for global entry and TSA pre-check and global dining with Resi. It doesn't get you all of the other things like the entry to the lounges, Marriott Bonvoy Elite status, Hilton's Honors Gold status, and fine restaurants and hotels, okay? So it doesn't get you all of that. Understand that. Also understand, I'm going to put it up on the screen right here too, so you can see that additional card members are eligible for the $200 airline fee credit, $200 hotel credit, $100 Saks credit, the entertainment credit for $240, $189 clear credit, and $300 Equinox. I don't know if you're into that bike life, whatever. But this is what the Platinum card gets you as the additional benefits for getting those extra cards. Now, if you have the good credit, why don't you have your friends pay the annual fee? Even if you break up the annual fee between 3 people, they're still only going to spend $290 as opposed to $695. So this is a huge benefit if you have great credit and you can get the Platinum card, but maybe you're going to travel with some friends or family and they don't have the Platinum card. This is a really great way to get yourself to be covered for that Platinum card, and you don't have to pay any annual fee. Let your friends pay for it because you got the good credit. Always remember, subscribe to increase your credit score.